In this video series, we are actually having a look how we can learn Node.js and what is the Node.js runtime environment and how you can very simply run JavaScript inside your desktop environment. Now, as we have already know that we can write JavaScript code inside the server and we can run by use of Node.js environment. First thing first, you will have to install the Node.js server. If you want to make sure that, you will have to check if the Node.js is properly installed or not. So once you run node -v, it will be showing the latest stable version, that is v20 12.2. In my case, I am using 12.2. In your case, that can be more than 12.2. But once you have installed the Node.js runtime environment, you will be actually having a version, Node.js version, right? So if you don't have the Node.js version, you'll not be able to run app.js. So first thing first, that is a prerequisite of running JavaScript inside the server environment. So if you have Node.js, you can actually run Node.js inside the terminal by typing node first. If you type node, that means you are heavily entered into the Node.js ecosystem. And now if you run any valid JavaScript code here, console.log here, right? You can also run the JavaScript code here. Now you can see that I'm getting the same result inside the terminal also. That means I have successfully installed the Node.js. How you can successfully install the Node.js, there are so much tutorial available in the internet. I'm not going into that direction, but I'm giving you some basic JavaScript tutorial that we will be using to develop Node.js application inside server. So first thing first, as we know that all of the JavaScript files are available inside or valid inside the Node.js runtime environment. First thing you'll have to know that you'll have to learn what is variables, what is data type, and what is function, how you can work with arrays, how you can work with different data containers like data structures like sets, maps, and lists, and object key value pairs. We'll have to learn that, right? So we'll go into that direction. I'm keeping this video also short and concise for making your learning more energetic and less boring. So let's go into the next video and try to learn more about JavaScript data types, variables, and functions.